Bay windows have long been admired for their elegance, charm, and ability to transform both the interior and exterior of a home. For Covington homeowners, these unique window designs offer more than just beautiful views. They create additional usable space, enhance natural lighting, and make rooms feel larger and more inviting. Whether you're renovating or upgrading for comfort and value, bay windows can dramatically improve both the look and functionality of your living spaces. Here's how bay windows add extra space and practical benefits to Covington houses. Expanding interior living space without structural additions. One of the most appealing advantages of bay windows is the extra interior space they naturally create. Since they project outward from the home, bay windows form a small extension that can be used in a variety of ways. This expanded area can serve as a cozy reading nook, a seating bench for relaxing or enjoying outdoor views, a small workspace or study area, a decorative space for plants, artwork, or seasonal decor. Because Covington homes vary in size and layout, homeowners appreciate how bay windows offer additional living space without needing costly construction or major renovations, making rooms feel brighter, larger, and more open. Bay windows consist of 3 or more connected panels, typically arranged at angles to allow maximum natural light to enter the home. This creates a bright, refreshing atmosphere that can make even small rooms feel significantly larger. More natural light offers several benefits, makes your home feel open, warm, and inviting, reduces reliance on artificial lighting during the day, enhances the appearance of your interior decor, improves overall mood and comfort. For Covington homeowners who love airy, sun-filled living spaces, bay windows are an excellent upgrade that adds both charm and visual expansion. Improving functionality with versatile design options. Bay windows come in various styles, allowing homeowners to choose a configuration that best suits their needs. Whether you want a modern look or a more traditional design, bay windows offer functional versatility. Functional options may include operable side windows, ideal for ventilation during Covington's mild weather, built-in seating or storage, perfect for maximizing small spaces, custom shelving, great for plants, books, or display items, decorative window grids, adding personality and architectural interest. Families often appreciate how bay windows can be tailored to support multiple uses, blending practicality with aesthetic appeal, creating a focal point in any room. Covington houses range from classic southern homes to contemporary residences, but bay windows complement nearly every architectural style. Their distinctive shape draws the eye and naturally becomes the centerpiece of the room. As a focal point, bay windows highlight scenic outdoor views, enhance interior symmetry and balance, provide a perfect backdrop for furniture arrangement, elevate the overall charm of your living space. The added depth and dimension transform ordinary rooms into standout living areas, boosting home value through style and functionality. Bay windows are more than a visual upgrade. They offer tangible value that potential buyers look for. Homes with bay windows often feel more spacious, stylish, and functional, making them more attractive in the Covington housing market. Benefits to resale value include enhanced curb appeal from the exterior projection, increased interior brightness and perceived square footage, added architectural character, versatile use of interior space. If you're considering selling your Covington home in the future, bay windows can deliver an excellent return on investment. Enhancing ventilation and indoor comfort. When designed with operable side windows, bay windows allow airflow from multiple directions. This cross ventilation helps freshen your home during Covington's breezy spring and fall seasons. Improved ventilation offers better indoor air quality, reduced reliance on air conditioning, comfortable, naturally cooled spaces. This helps maintain pleasant indoor temperatures while lowering energy costs. A beautiful and functional upgrade for Covington homes. Bay windows offer a perfect blend of elegance, extra space, and everyday usefulness. They brighten your living areas, improve functionality, and add charm that enhances your home from the inside out. For Covington homeowners looking to refresh their space without major renovation work, bay windows are one of the most rewarding upgrades available. If you're ready to elevate your home's comfort, style, and value, Bay Windows provide a stunning and practical solution that you'll enjoy for years to come.